In today's video, I'll teach you how to transform a photo into a stunning cardboard silhouette using Canva. Now let's get started. Okay guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size. I'm going to use 5 by 7, okay, inches. Once that is pulled up, we're going to go to elements on the left side and I'm going to type in cardboard, okay. Then I'm going to click under photos. And I'm going to choose this one right here, okay? All right. Next, guys, we're going to go right back and we're going to type in a man with a beard, okay? And we're going to go to graphics, okay? And you just kind of scroll down until you find the one that you like, okay? So I'm going to choose this person right here. I'm going to go to the top, change the color to white, okay? And I'm going to make this cardboard a little smaller. Okay, center here. Okay, once that's done, guys, go to the corner, click share, and we're going to download this as a PNG. Okay, wait a few seconds, and we're going to open it up. We're going to drag it over here. Okay, we see it's downloading. Okay, guys, so once that's done, go back to element, and we're going to type in cardboard again. Okay, click up, and go under photos. The one that you like. So I like this one right here. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to turn this this image around to be vertical, okay? And I'm going to put it in the corner, and I'm going to drag it out. Okay, guys, so once that's done, I'm going to go to edit at the top, and we're going to click on adjust. All right, and then we're going to decrease the brightness in it to about 35, and the contrast we're going to increase to about 65 or so. Okay, once that's done, we're going to go to uploads, and we're going to upload our picture. And now we're going to remove the background to remove the white part of it. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to crop it. Okay, bring it to the picture itself. Okay, and then we're going to put it in the left corner and drag it all the way out. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to edit at the top, click on shadow, click on drop. Okay, once that's done, guys, we're going to go to blur amount, and we're going to decrease it, and then we're going to go to about 12. Okay, 12 or 13. The distance to 29. Okay, and then we're just going to make sure it's expanded on the page. So guys, this looks pretty good to me. When you're done, click share, click the download button, save as a PNG, and just download. So guys, I just taught you how to create a cardboard silhouette using Canva. I hope this has inspired you. I hope that you're inspired to try it out for yourself, for your crafts, events, or even displays. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.